Reed Creek Park, located at 3820 Park Lane, Martinez, Georgia, is a nature park with an interpretive center that houses live snakes, turtles, and local taxidermy specimens ranging from insects, arthropods, fish, birds, and mammals. This 14-acre park features an awesome boardwalk through wetlands and forests. You are likely to find wildlife on your walk, so keep your eyes peeled for the locals. This park is wonderful for kids, great for a quick walk, and perfect for a lunch break. I hope you enjoy your visit as much as we did. Now do good, be good, and stay searching for adventure.